Good evening, folks. Welcome to another edition of Stocks and Slots with Joe Man. Well, it is Thursday, February 25th. Just a blistering, horrific day on the market today. Just right when you think all these super bad, bleeding, bad days are behind us, and then all of a sudden, boom. We've had two of them this week already. I mean, it's a very tough week to make money. Very tough. Last week, it was just churning. The markets were green. We were making money, and it was great. Now it's like a two-sided coin now. All of a sudden, it's done flipped over, and now it is just night and day. But, so we're going to dive right into it tonight. And before we do, if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. So AMC, there's a lot of excitement around AMC. And, it's skyrocketed yesterday and had a slow upwards trend for the last 2 or 3 days. And then yesterday, the Reddit clan really intensified it, and it was skyrocketing. Of course, today is just the opposite. Let's take a look at this, folks. So today's change, we had a little 8.8% drop today, 80 cents overall. And then in the post market here, another 9.65% and another 80 cents on top of that. Granted, it's how much thought are we going to put into this torrential sell-off today, right? If the market was pumping and the overall market was green and this was just a completely blood-shedded stock today, it would be, but it blends in with the overall market completely. So does that mean that this is just a absolute horrible stock to own currently? If so, it's blending in with everything overall. We lost over 600 points today on the market today. It was just horrible. So it's hard to say. So anyway, let's look at this. We had another heavy day of volume, 445,717,431. The day's high, it was pumping, folks. It was exciting. It cranked as high as to $11. I think it opened up the day's low at $7.85. So it just pumped it out. And folks, I hope a lot of y'all took advantage of this opportunity and cashed out, made your profits. Okay, make your profits. The funny thing is, before the pandemic happened, this thing was trading at about $7.50 a share. In its current state, this company's shares are not even worth $7.50. But who cares about fundamentals and valuations at this point, folks? If it gets pumped up, it's going to skyrocket, and who cares, right? So let's look at this chart. There's definitely, I don't know how much we're going to weigh into this. The whole market was horrible. 80% of all the companies on the market made this massive U-turn today, right? But it can be concerning. I surely we're not going to. Tomorrow's not going to be as horrible as it was today. Okay, maybe you buy on the red days, you sell on the green days, and today, the prices are dropped. I would think it's a great opportunity to be buying. Now, I'm not saying this is a great price to be buying AMC. I'm not suggesting that, not one bit. Like I said, I think that major pump of this stock yesterday and this morning, I'm hoping a lot of people have, set those limit orders and has made some money off of this. Because this directly U-turn here is definitely concerning, as it looks like it is going to fall very quick, just as quick as it came up with this trend and this chart and this angle. It looks as if it could fall as quick as it went up. But again, it's kind of hard to tell because the market was just horrible today. Now, if the market is, I mean, that'll be the telltale. If the market is pumping green tomorrow, I say if the market is green and we are just, it's revived itself, look at AMC. Is AMC going to revive with the market, or is it going to continue this downward spiral? Now, if the downward spiral is very obvious in a green state, I would get rid of this sucker because it's going to fall back down pretty quick. But if the market is green and this is indicating that this one's going to keep going up, then hey, I mean, to each their own. Hold on to it, but still set them limit orders, folks. Like again, I'm not giving anybody financial advice. This is just my outlook on this stock and what I would do if I owned it. Now, I wish I would have bought it when I was speaking in my other videos of the 550 support line, which I did not purchase. I wish I did because I could have almost been a double up, but I didn't. So yeah, so that's a quick look at AMC and what I see, and that's kind of scary, but the whole market's scary. So let's talk about what I did today. Like I said, I had a pretty bad day today. Lost over $394 between these different companies here. MRMD, my marijuana stock, it had a 3-cent drop today, down 280 overall. I bought this at 90 cents a share. It has been slowly bleeding since I bought it, and I've owned it for about a week now. SDPI, it's dropped 6 cents on me today. That is they basically make drilling products for oil. Anyways, I'm in at this at $1.25 a share. I'm down 210 overall in this one. PFIE, I mean, for the most part, it started out pretty strong today, but it ended up finishing, dropped another 12 cents on me. I'm down 135.16 on this one right now. I'm in at $1.27, as it's, I'm 10 cents behind on that one. And then ARC, it had another plummet. This is the company that had its earnings call yesterday, and it went from, I actually purchased this at $2.51 a share. Bought $5,000 worth of it. The earnings came out that next day, and it dropped all the way as low as $1.99. And since then, it's recuperating back some of this, because this was, like I said, this was a $5,020 investment that was as low as $3,900 on Tuesday. So it's trying to get it back. So that's what I did. Like I said, it was an overall just very crappy day on the market. I mean, it was, these are the great days to buy, because it was a bloodshed today for sure. Well, folks, that's what I did today, and that was a quick outlook of AMC. And also, AMC is supposed to still have their earnings sometime, this week. I think it was unconfirmed, but I think it was like for the 24th, 25th. But it hasn't happened yet. That's definitely should cause some motion in that stock. The earnings can't be good. Unless they really expected it not to be good, and then they meet their expectations of not being good. Maybe. But anyways, that's it for tonight, folks. And again, if y'all wouldn't mind, please click that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Y'all have a good night. Thank you.